red goes here. Orange goes here. Well, we don't know for certain. We're guessing that. And we'll guess yellow in 3 places. Just because that way it means fewer colors to keep in my head and think about and all of that. So one of them's correct color, correct place. One of them is correct color, but not in the correct place. So just arbitrarily, because we don't have enough information to have a clue yet. Let's do that. Let's say, well, here, let's try yellow. Because now here's the thing. If it is red and it is yellow, then we're guaranteed there has to be 2 blacks in the next guess, or this guess that I'm doing, actually. So let's just do this. So assuming I've guessed everything correctly, we should see 2 blacks, and then maybe another black for the green here. That's what we're hoping for, is 3 blacks. But let's see what we do get. Okay, we just got 2 whites. Okay, what can that tell us about anything? So if it's red, what else can we know? Well, then it can't be this guy here, because this is the only available spot that isn't one of these, right? So if the white peg is referring to this yellow peg, that's his only place left over if the red one is correct, right? So, so if red is right, yellow is out of it. So let's go ahead and put in the orange. It's going to be having the white peg being referring to it. All right, but now in this one, okay, now here's where we go. It can't be the red, can it? Because that should have been a black peg, right? Okay, so red is not the black peg. Let's see. Well, let's just do it arbitrarily, right? We'll just say orange. Let's say the orange was correct. And that would mean that the yellow would have to go there, right? Again, because if the orange is correct, it means the white peg is referring to the yellow, which means it has to be somewhere else other than these 3. It can't be that one. So there we go. That's all that's left. Okay. But now if that's the case, this yellow got one of these white pegs. The red, we've already decided. Well, in this particular instance, we've decided it's out of it, right? Because we're assuming that it's orange and yellow, which means we can't have the red, but that means we can't have, that's not going to work with the green, right? We're getting another contradiction, because if the white peg refers to these greens, it needs to go over there to those 2 columns. All right, well, let's see. That's not it. So what else could it be? The sad thing is, it might be one of these yellows. But that's the risky trade-off, right? Because now you don't really know anything about it. You just have to guess and hope. All right, but that would mean that the orange one would go here. Now what we can have is the green there. And let's fill in the last 2 spots. Then we'll double check that everything makes sense. Okay, so going all the way back to the first row, this yellow gives us a black. This orange lets us have the white. That yellow is a white, and that green is a white. Okay, so far, this guess is consistent with what we've done so far. And it's still not right. Okay. Let's assume that yellow is still in the thing. Since we've only got 2, but we've got 4 colors going here, I'm going to go back and think maybe it was red, but he just wasn't the black peg. So we've got, so let's see what happens with that kind of assumption. So the yellow takes up one of the white pegs, and I'm going to say that the green takes up the other one. Because if I'm having yellow and red, I can't have the orange. And it seems like there's no logical reason to think this, but it just seems to me I've tried more of the greens, so maybe it's more likely that it would be there rather than the light blue, but I'm not going to do the math for that. If somebody else wants to, go ahead. Okay, so I think that's consistent with what we've got. But let's just put in another color here just to see. All right, anyway, so all the way back down to here. That gives us a black this gives us the white. This gives us a white. This gives us a white, right? This gives us a white. And that also gives us a white. Okay, now let's see what we get here. I'm gonna think maybe that I've chosen the right colors, but we're gonna find out here. I'm gonna assume that guy goes there. I'm gonna assume that if yellow is still in it, then that's where he has to go because of the black peg down here, and right, okay. I'm gonna pop. And if the green ones are right, that means the red has to also move, right? And that just means that this dark blue was incorrect, but our only last two choices are the purple and magenta. So we're still off. So I'm going to have to go back and rethink things. Okay, so I've tried. All right, so the only place where, if we're assuming yellow is indeed the one that scored the black peg down here, then that means it's going to have to have been that one. Right, because that can't be in the right place, that can't be in the right place, because all it resulted in was white pegs. So that one there. So that means that, holy mackerel, that means it cannot be green then. So if yellow is right, it can't be green. I should have known that. You can't have yellow, red, and green at the same time. Why did I let that happen? Yikes, so clearly I'm not paying close enough attention today. So if yellow is right, green is out, red goes here. Okay, but if green is out, that means that dark blue is in, but he can't be in that space, so he's either all the way over here or over here. So I'm going to put him all the way at the end. Right, okay, so now I have two white pegs because of this mess here. I have another white peg because of this guy here. Okay, there's something still wrong here now, isn't there? Because now these three account for... Alright, so I have missed... Oh, here it is. I think it's the light blue here. Let's double check this now. So the yellow one here gives us a white peg. Green is out, orange... Oh, right, so that's what we're missing here. We're missing this light blue. So let's put the light blue here next to the dark blue. Has that helped us any? Nope, nope. Nope. Nope, nope. See, this is not right. This is, I can't reconcile that. So clearly I've goofed pretty poorly somewhere back here in my assumptions. So let's see, what can we do to maybe save ourselves in these last three turns? Or save myself, right? I mean, so if the yellow is here, right? The red is there. Well, it could be also over here. But I think the more fundamental thing here is that, all right, what do I do? Okay. Maybe I'm still just being an idiot. So if the yellow is here, then the red goes there, or where the light blue is, possibly. So we've already determined that we think that it's the dark blue here. Going back to here, we think that it's the light blue there. Okay, oops, excuse me there. So red, yellow. All right, since I put the light blue there, it's going to have to be the purple. So we'll put the purple here. Let's see what happens there. Okay. I'm going to say that red goes there. Yellow goes here. Let's just see if that plays out still. If those two are correct, then dark blue has to go here. Light blue would have to go all the way at the end. And the purple would have been incorrect. So let's do this. Oops. All right, now, going all the way back to the beginning. So this yellow gives us the black score there. This red gives us the white one there. These two still give us the two white pegs here. The yellow is still a white peg. The green and the orange we've decided is out, so it's going to be the light blue, so that's also a white peg. Alright. Green is out. Blue gets us a white peg. Red gets us a white peg. Yellow gets us a green peg. This is also, it wouldn't matter, because, okay. Green's out. We're assuming purple is out. Magenta gives us a white peg. Red gets us a white peg. Yellow gets us a white peg. Okay, it's looking fairly promising. Blue gives us a white peg. The light blue gives us a white peg. The purple is out of it completely, and then those two give us... Alright, let's see what happens. Maybe this is it. No, it's not. Okay, let's see. Again, I'm just going to assume that it's the yellow here. So if it is the yellow, then the red must go there. The yellow can't go there. I mean, excuse me, the light blue can't go there. The light blue can't go there. The light blue will have to now go here. Okay. So that still gives us white. That still gives us white. Those are both out. That's a white. That's a white. We have the yellow is the black peg. The red is a white peg. The dark blue is a white. It's a white peg. Which means it can't be this one. Ooh, I'm getting a little anxious here. But that means, all right, let's come back to this guy here. So that gives us that. All right, let's see. I think we'll run through it one more time because this is the last guess. So if I've goofed it, then we're hosed, right? So that, looking at this, that gets me a white peg, and the yellow gives me a black peg. Oops, over this one here. Right, okay. Red gives me a white peg. Yellow gives me a white peg. Nothing, nothing. White peg, okay. Nothing, white peg, black peg, okay. Nothing, nothing, white peg, okay. Black peg, white peg, nothing, black peg, white peg, okay. I think. Right, so now this, let's see, right, black peg, white peg, white peg, right, okay, so this all is consistent with that. I think that's it. Let's see what happens. Boink. All right, there we go. Code cracked. You know, I don't even know why I bother this. I'll do it now just on an off chance. But for a long time, it hasn't accepted the add me to the top score thing. All right, you see, it didn't even... Boink, I don't know what's going on. So, I don't know. Anyway, let's move on to a different game, shall we? And hope that... let's go down. I'm going to do Sokoban later. Let's do a Sudoku. Have I done a Sudoku in an ASMR video before? I'm kind of sucky at Sudoku, but I enjoy playing it nonetheless. Okay, it looks like I see this 3 here, and I see, oops, that 3 there. So this column is out, that column is out. And so the 3 in this box must go here. Oh, I guess, do all you guys, I assume everybody understands Sudoku, right? Each row has all of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each column has 1 through 9. And each of the boxes has 1 through 9. And so the idea is basically through a process of elimination, you fill the empty holes, okay? All right, now this 3 thing is turning out to be pretty fruitful, because now, because of this 3, it can't be in this middle row of squares that are in the middle row of boxes, right? I hope that makes sense. So that means the 3 must go there. Okay, now we have this row completely filled in. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's missing the 9. I don't know that I'll do that little moving around every time. That seems long and tedious, but maybe we'll see. Hum, 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 hum. Well, now I'm slowed down again. So we have 3, 3, 3. 3, do we have, no, we need... Okay, we can get this guy as a 3, isn't he? Yes, that guy is a 3. So now, right, I think this guy is a 3 because of, there's a 3 in that column, there's a 3 in that column, all the way up. And in the first 2 rows, there's a 3 and a 3, so a 3 goes there. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, so we got 9 3s. That's good. So there's a 3 in each of the boxes. Okay, so now let's look at what we have. All right, I can get 1s on that one anyway. Does that let me achieve any 1s elsewhere? Doesn't seem to just now. But I do notice that I can have... What? Oh, no, never mind. I thought I noticed something about... Well, never mind. It doesn't matter. Okay, I did notice the 5 here just now. But I can't have 5 in that column. And I can't have it in that row. So it's got to be here. Alright, well, that's what else I'm not noticing anything about this. Alright, so let's see, I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm missing 5, 5 and 8 from this particular row, right? But since there's an 8 right there, that means that can't be an 8. So this must be an 8. Right, this can't be an 8 because you can only have 1 8 in each box, right? So since that 8 is in that box, you can't have 2 8s there, right? Okay. So what did I say? That was the 5, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the 5's missing. 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. So the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay, I can get... This is a 2 because there's a 2 down there in that column and a 2 there in that row. So 2 goes here, which is nice because that now means that a 2 goes there. We're making a little bit of progress here. So I have that. Okay, so we need to get 2s elsewhere. All right, so let's see here. 2 can't be in that top column, and 2 can't be in, top row, and it can't be in that bottom row of, the bottom row of that particular box. So it has to be in this middle row. Can't be there because of that 2, so it's got to be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And the last one goes there. So now I've got all the 2s. Are any of these boxes close to getting finished? 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing of this one. And 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay, 7 can't be there. 7 must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that box is filled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at this box now here, so it's going to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Where's a 6 or a 7? I don't see either. Oh, there's a 7 right there. Boink. Okay, so let's redo this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7's there, 8's there, and 9 is missing. Okay, there we go. 9 can't be there because of this guy. 9 goes there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes there. All right, what else now here? Okay, well, this takes a little bit of whatever. It's because of that 5. No 5 can go in this column, right? Which means that the 5 down here has to be in this column. Now, I don't know which of these two squares, but it is sufficient to know that it's this column, because that means 5 can't go there, so 5 must go in there. Okay, similarly, I can get the 1 here, right? Oh, actually, it's not even that. There's a 1 right down there. Okay, never mind. So what are we missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Okay. Let's see what else we can get here now. Well, let's just try a couple of boxes and see how far we can get. I don't see how to get a 1 just yet. So we have 2 already, 3 already. Can I have a 4 anywhere? No, it doesn't appear so. 5, 6, 7. Okay, nope, I don't see it with that box. Let's see, this 1, 2, 3. Well, okay. I'm gonna have to do some more. Oh, here we go. I just noticed a thing. I can have a 4 there because there's a 4 just above that one here, and there's this 4 over here. Oops. So it can't be in that row, and it can't be in this column, so it must be there. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that the 5's there, but we don't know which one it is in, right? Okay. 6. 7. I don't think I have enough. Nope, I don't see enough to get the 7. 8's already in there. What about 9? Okay, wait, I can get the 9. 9 has to be there. Oh, that doesn't really get us much, does it? Oh, but it does if it's this here, so I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 7 goes there. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 9 go here. Well, you know, I can get that one up there then. By just knowing that a 5 and a 9 are in there. We don't care which ones they are, but okay, so this one can't be a 1, 2, 3. It can't be a 4. It can't be a 5. It can't be a 6. It cannot be a 7. Why can't it be a 7? Oh, it cannot be a 7, 8, or 9. So what can it be? Let me go over this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is 7. Okay, that's what I screwed up. Okay, 7, 8, and 9. All right, there we go. Holy mackerel. All right, so I still don't have enough to get the 1, 2, 3, or the 4. Right, let's see if we can go this way, I guess. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4, 5. Missing a 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 and 6, is that right? Nope, 4 is there. Wait, 1. Oh, wait, here we go. 1, 2, 3. So 4 is missing, but 4 can't go down here. Here we go. So 4 will go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the only thing that seems to be missing from that row. Yep. Okay, now we only have one space in this one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, right? I was just doing that column. Okay, let's see, we have some new stuff in this box. Can we maybe finish it off? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see where 5 goes for sure. It's in this column. Okay, but I can get the 6s there. 7 can be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5's going to go there. What do you know? Okay. All right, what else we have here? 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Okay. 4 has to go there, right? Yes. Because of there's a 4 in that column, and then there's a 4 in each of these 2 rows. So, all right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Can we get rid of 5s somehow? Yeah. 5 can't be in this column, and it also can't be in that row. We already knew that. Oh, wait a second. There's the 5 goes there, doesn't it? I'm going to look at this row at the very bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's missing the 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 has to go there because of that 6 over here. Oops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 goes there, and 9 goes here. Alright, so now I can clean up a lot of this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 goes there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 goes there. Alright, we're almost done here, really. Okay, cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So 5 goes there. So 1, wait a minute, 2, 3. So we're missing a 4, right? Yeah, 4. So 4 goes here. 3, 4, 5. We're missing the 6, so the 6 goes down here. 7, and we're missing the 8. The 8 goes there. All right. Let's try this one if we have enough info to get it here. We need the 1, but the 1 over there isn't there yet. So, okay, so 2 is there, 3 is there. 4 can't be in this row. 4's got to go down there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, right. So the 1 goes here, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goes there, which means 1 goes there. I think that's it for that. Let's see, how am I doing? Well, what do you know? Wow, okay. Yeah, as you can see, my average time is like 15 minutes, right? That was a little bit better than my average, but yeah, I'm not very good at this. Okay, so we're going to call that it for this. But you know what I think I'm going to end up doing is I'll just occasionally play these as I'm playing my games, and I'll just tape them, and then as I accumulate enough, I'll make videos out of them. Anyway, so we'll see how well this goes for a future time. I'm going to now kind of stop this. Okay, this is recording. We're not going to do here. Let's get to somewhere else. What do I want to play next here? I'm going to do... let's do Quordle. Alright, let's do... Okay, I will start it somewhere in here. Okay, so this game is called Quordle, right? It's kind of like Wordle, but you have 4 of them to do at the same time. So it's a little bit like the mastermind kind of a thing, because you're going to put letters in here and you're going to get scores on them depending on their position. The difference is now you're using letters instead of colors. But the good news is it's not just weird random collections of letters that you, because then, man, it'd be really hard to get it. And what is this, like 9 guesses? But it has to make words. So there you go. So you're using that position clues and the fact that it has to be words in order to come up with things. I like to start with a couple of words that allow me to have all of the vowels right off the bat. Right? See, so those two, I have the A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y among them. Wow, okay. What is this word? S-U, and it has an, that's what the green means. The green means it's the right letter, right place. Yellow means the letter's in the puzzle, just not in that position. Wow, S-U. I'm drawing a blank on that one. What is that going to be? S-U with this here. I'm drawing a blank. Well, we'll have to collect some more stuff. What is this? That's not enough for me to get a word from. None of these are enough for me to get a word from, at least for now. So we have to go down and pick more words to guess and see if that can help us get further along. So what do I have down here? What do I want to move? All right. I want to move this U. I want to move this or this. So which one seems most useful? Now let's move the E. Where do we want to put the E? Let's put the E. Okay, I'm going to put in the word fleck. Right? See, because it's the F, the L, the C, and the K are all new, and the E's getting moved. So let's try that. See where that gets us. Okay, so now I have 4 letters here. Wow, I'm not seeing that one either. Well, I'm still not getting very far on this one. Let's see what else. I need another word then. All right, so I got to be careful because I have a tendency to not pay attention to my number of guesses and make goofy guesses and then realize, oh, I shouldn't have wasted that turn, that kind of thing. Now here's the thing. I wonder, will this accept like foreign words that are like maybe borrow words? Is this a word? Yeah, it is. Let's put that in. Okay. Wow. Oh, I get it now, I think. D-U-C. Right, isn't that deuce like for cards and stuff? Okay, there you go. Boy, what a thick-skulled moron. Okay. So what do I have here left? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 guesses to do 3 words. That's not very good. I wonder, is S-U-I-S-H? Is that a word, swish? Is that how you spell that? No, it is not. I have no idea what that one is, really. All right, I'm going to have to just, I don't know, try to find something else here. All right, I'm gonna, for the bottom right one, I don't know, this might be wasting. See, this is the kind of thing that I do, and it messes me up sometimes. See, like this, it seems like that would fit this with what I've got, right? But the only new thing I'm introducing is a B, and then, of course, I'm using the 2 R's. But if it's, well, we'll just see if it helps me out or not. Hey, what do you know? It was the right word, so definitely a good thing worth doing here. Okay, so now what I have 3 guesses to get 2 words. Holy mackerel. So E-R... Is Oreo an actual word in the dictionary? R. No, that wouldn't be it. That's not Oreo, right? No. That would be Oreo like that, wouldn't it? Okay. I'm just an idiot. Forgive me. Ignore me. Wow. O can't be on there. E, R. Alright, so this has to be a new letter, doesn't it? Can't be E, can't be R, and it can't be O. And I only have 3 of the stinking letters for this one, too. I only got 3 guesses, so I don't really have a lot of guesses to try and find words, or excuse me, find letters. E-R what? Oh, I think I just got it. I think it is overt. Yeah. That puts the O somewhere else. Gives us a V. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right. Okay, what do you know? So now I've got 2 guesses to get this one. S-U what? I just don't see this. S-U with an H and an I. I'm sure a lot of you are screaming at the screen going, Bill, you moron, it's ... whatever. You know, in doing these, I'm starting to realize I make a lot of weird, unconscious, odd mouth noises. I hope it doesn't put any of you guys off, but anyway. So I can't be in the 4th spot, so it's S-U-I. S-U-I what? Let's see, this is just S-U-I. That's not a word. It has to be H, right? S-U-I. H something? Oh, here we go. Sushi. Right? There we go. What do you know? Holy mackerel. I think I made that harder on myself than I needed to. Let's do this again. And okay, let's do different words. I'm going to say R-O-U-S-E and A-M-I-T-Y. I'm not seeing it. So if anybody's screaming at the screen, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You know, I'm thinking I'm going to put this up because it might be that word, but it also gives me the C and the K, and those have been useful letters to have. And it is the right word, so what do you know? Didn't really help us anywhere else, but okay. Hum. So what do I have? Let's do this. Vapid. Yeah. Interesting. I'm drawing a blank on that. This is another one of those cases. I'm sure you guys are screaming at the TV. What is this? Oh, valid. There we go. Okay, so now I've got 4 guesses to do. Oh, they just solved it for us there by Amply. All right, there we go. Boingo. I'm going to have 3 guesses for this one. Wow, what is this thing? And our only vowel is E. You know, I think it's fresh. F-R-E-S-H. What do you know? That did all right. Okay, I'm going to do one more of these, and then... what's another one that I like to use? Word pair. I'm drawing a blank, so I'm going to do audio and Shire again. Okay, I'm going to try the word chime, because I think it might work on the bottom left, but also it gives me a fair number of new letters and moves things around kind of thing. Okay. I think the bottom left is going to be chick, but is it worth making that jump right now? Is there a likelihood that I'll want to try the C in that fourth spot for another word, so it will be doing it for me? All right, I'm going to put chick aside for the moment. What else do I want to put up? And I need to move an A. Do I need to move a C? F-L-A. You know, I'm going to do that. F-L-A-C-K. Because that'll tell me if chick is right, but it also brings in the F and the L too, just in case it's not right. I've not wasted the guess. And okay, there we go. See, it was good that I didn't do chick. All right. Oh, L-E-R-T. That's gonna be that one. Okay. Well, now what do I have? I have A, I have E, and I have R. That's 3. And I have the F. That gives me 4. The F isn't in the beginning. The A is not in the beginning. The A is not in the third spot, so the A has to be second. W-A-F-E-R, is that right? Because the A-F-E-R at the end is more or less what it has to be. So wafer, what else is there? Payfer, gayfer, jayfer, zayfer, vayfer, bayfer, nayfer. I think that's it. I don't think any of those other ones make words. All right. So now I'm still left with 2 guesses for this last word. And wow. Blank, blank, ER. What do I have here? Am I going to be reusing some? Holy mackerel. So I was thinking it's going to be something E-R-Y at the end, right? The E-R-Y at the end thing. But it's not so. Oh, every. Holy mackerel, you stinking. See, I do this all the time, right? You know what I mean? It's anyway, there you go. Every. I think that's it. What do you know? Okay. Yeah, what the hell? I'll do one more just for. Why not? Why did I pick? Anyway, doesn't matter. You're a silly dude. What did I do before? I think it was pious and ready, right? A-E-I-O-U and let's try that. What is this get us? Not a whole lot. We need another word. Where's the E? We've already tried the E in the second spot, so I don't want that. Let's do B-L-E-K. Nope. The A's out altogether, so black. Alright, let's try something else. There's no reason to moving the I, really, is there? Let's try this one. B, right? I've got 5 still to do 4 words. Wow. I expected steer to do better than that, frankly. Well, that's what I get for. So S-I and an E. S-L-U-N-K. All right, so now I'm no more leeway on this one. All right, let's try this. Nope. No, that was with the C, isn't it? Yeah, you're being a silly douchebag, dude. Just grasping at straws. Come on, dude. Oh, here we go. Here we go. There was that one. All right. S-I. S-I-N-G. Singe. All right, there we go. Holy mackerel. All right, so I got 2 guesses to get these last 2 words. Okay. There we go. Now, what's this last one? Down to the wire, dude. So I have S-E-R and T and a C. Oh, crest. There we go. Bingo. All right. Yeah, I'm going to call that done for now for a minute. Anyway. Okay, I guess I'm recording. Here we go. All right. I hope everything's getting captured properly. Otherwise, this will be super frustrating. Although I guess I could just do voiceover later or something like that. Anyway, I think everything's hooked up and going. So here we go. I want to try P-I-O. Oops. Somehow I'm not. I'm not in this window yet. Let's try it now. P-I-O-U-S for pious. And what was I using with pious? I think it's ready, right? Pious and ready. Let's try that. Yeah, that gives us, wow, okay. So it's really just, it's not S. Wow, okay, so just O with a P, and the P is not at the beginning. P. Okay, so S is out, R is out. What is this going to be? Wow, I don't see this. Alright, well, we have to think of a word to put down to get some more letters, I guess. What are we going to put? What are we going to put? What are we going to put? I don't really care about the O, though, but... so let's just, what can I get? I can have... I'm going to put in F-I-G-H-T. Wow. P-O-O-C-H. Let's try that. Okay, so we do have... So H has to go at the beginning. W-H-O-O-P. Alright. Interesting. I don't know whether this will make it into that video or not, because it just dawned on me. I don't think I was really talking very much. Anyway, let's go play today's daily Quordle. Do this one here. What are we going to do today? Let's just do the same one. Pious and ready, right? Is that what it was? Pious and ready. What does that get us? Okay, the bottom right could be something like, what, scar? Scare? What else? Snare, maybe? Alright, so we need to get some more words for that one. What do I have over here? I think we need new letters and to move things. Alright, so let's do... Man, I'm having a really bad... That's what I want to do. I'm going to try this. I don't know why, but I'm going to try this. All right. So L-A-R, solar, okay. Okay, so I need 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I think that one is scare. I might be reading medicine. See, no, all right. So it's not. So it's what I thought it was. Fuck. All right. Alright, now I have to get them. Right, I don't have any. So this is going to be horrible. Okay. There we go. All right. I don't see what the lower left is. What is that? SHU. Let's see, let me go back up here. Let's see what we have up here. I have U, E, and L. That's it. Okay. All right. What in the world is this word? Imagine there's a few you were just staring at the screen going, Bill, you're an idiot, you're an idiot. It's whatever it is. Holy mackerel. SHU what? Now let me just type it in and see if looking at it that way makes it, you know, sometimes I'm looking, I don't know, shut with two T's the thing? No? Shut. Oh, how about this? What a moron I am sometimes. Okay, I think, yeah, let's stop here for now, I think.